Hey, this is Eric Kummer, one of the drum set instructors at Terra, and we're in part 2 of the video series on how to expand your drum fills by incorporating your foot. So, we looked at the bass drum on beat 1 in the last lesson. Bass, left, right, left. Now we're going to shift it over to the E of the beat. So we have right hand, bass, right, left. Right, bass, right, left. Play it nice and slow, work it up to speed, reorchestrate, and you'll be golden. Here it is. Alright, start slow, work it up to speed, and you'll get something like this.